This in-wall kit lets you hide television power and signal cables behind the drywall so your wall-mounted screen looks clean and uncluttered. The dual recessed outlets and built-in low-voltage pass-through handle power, HDMI, Ethernet, and audio lines, while still working with very slim wall mounts. Everything needed for installation is included, from the in-wall power cable and extension cord to the cutout template and clear instructions, making it approachable for do-it-yourself users. The wall plates match standard electrical covers, so once installed, the setup blends in naturally with existing outlets instead of drawing attention. The components are designed to meet common electrical code requirements, with properly rated in-wall cabling and indicator lights that confirm the system is powered correctly. It fits typical stud wall construction and can even be adapted to trickier surfaces like plaster or wood paneling, giving you flexibility across different rooms.